Disputing a green dot transaction is a simple process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to dispute a green dot transaction effectively. To begin, open your web browser or the green dot application. If using a browser, navigate to www.green.com. Log into your account. Once logged in, locate the transaction history section. Here, you'll find a list of your transactions. Click on the specific transaction you wish to dispute. Look for the option to report an issue and click on it. Provide detailed information about the issue you're facing, including a description if prompted. Once you've provided all necessary details, submit the report. Green Dot will review the dispute, and if found legitimate, they will refund or resolve the transaction accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute a green dot transaction and ensure a swift resolution. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in resolving any transaction disputes with Green Dot.